As we approach the holiday season, I would love to make a tribute to number one shipping company, Island Shippers. Island Shippers has been such a blessing. Their customer service has been amazing. You know, they have really good persons working on their team, and I'm so grateful that I got the opportunity to, have Island Shippers as my shipping company. So I just want to wish Island Shippers all the best for this coming year and continue to do great work and continue to provide awesome customer service. Number one shipping company, Island Shippers.